Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing hardware and permissions. Charge the controller to at least 50%, then power it on. If wired, use an OTG adapter. If Bluetooth, put it in pairing mode. On Android, make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled. On iPhone, enable Bluetooth only. Close PubG Mobile now so the app picks up the controller on next launch. This ensures the system can pair cleanly, and PubG will detect the device when you open the game. Once paired at the OS level, open PubG Mobile and immediately go to Settings, then Controls. Enable controller support in the Controller tab so the game accepts input. Now test movement, aim, and fire. Use the in-game mapping tool to assign buttons if labels differ. You should create and save a custom profile. This preserves sensitivity and button layout. Make small adjustments to aim sensitivity and dead zones. So finish by testing the controller in training mode to confirm every button works. Try movement, camera, firing, and inventory. If you notice lag or stick drift, move closer to the phone, turn off nearby Bluetooth devices, and repair. This often fixes interference. If buttons misalign, recalibrate via system settings or recreate the custom profile. Finally, keep controller firmware and PubG Mobile updated. If problems persist, restart both devices and reset the controller to factory defaults before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.